still burning. So if you're gonna break my heart, just break it.
Got original Delco Chevrolet truck radio. They put these in a lot of different trucks. The C10s, the Ks, 85 through 87, I think even 88 maybe, before they went to digital. And it's AM FM radio. Everything's cleaned up real nice. All the push buttons polished up good. No scratches, no peeling. Brand new set of original knobs to go on it. And we've done a basic Aurora Design on it. It has a AM FM stereo, auxiliary in, which is automatic. All your presets still work. Pull them out, preset them. If you want to go to AM radio, just flip it over. Straight on 650, that's AM radio. Little operating light's gone to red.
So I drove around till I saw the neon lights of corner bar.
Back to stereo. It also has a built-in fader. It's got 4 channels, 45 watts a channel. You have the original slots to put your original plugs back in if you got them in your truck. That way everything is already wired up. Just put it in and plug it in. You have a built-in fader, front speakers, rear speakers. Treble and bass like you've always had. You also have a built-in balance in your toner. That's one of the features Aurora's got. So now you can fade from front to rear speakers. And then you can also balance from right to left. And the way you get into balance, you just back it up that center notch and go turn it clockwise, counterclockwise, like a 12 to 10 motion. 1, 2. It's going to beep. When it gets through beeping, as long as you're moving this toner control in that mode, you will be able to balance from right to left. Left side, right side. Balance it out, let it beep. Back on toner, treble and bass. 4 channels, 45 watts a channel. It does have a pre-out on it if you want to add a sub. Auxiliary in, which is automatic. This is a 2-piece cable that comes with it. Just pop that into a hole or wherever you want to hide it. You get a male to male, and all you do is plug your device in. Your phone, satellite radio, CD players, anything that's got a head that plays music. You plug it in here, it automatically changes over when you hit play. Bring your device up, hit play. Good clear sound to it. Anytime you want to come off auxiliary in device, you got a little LED here that shows you green. That means you're on auxiliary in. You want to go back to radio, you just take your device and just turn it off. In 20 seconds, if you don't touch the radio, it will actually change back automatically. If you want to cancel it out in that 20 seconds, just turn it off and back on. A new feature to Aurora Design, this radio will also seek and scan for you. So if you're out of town, you're cruising, you don't know the stations, you don't have to sit there and keep turning the knob to find a good station. You can put this thing in Seek and Scan. It will scan your stations without the needle moving. Then I will show you how to lock on that station or actually find that station. And all you do is take the tuning knob. This little LED is going to start flashing. We're going to crank it twice. The LED is blinking. Now we're going to start scanning stations. There's your next one. And we're going to go to the next one. Say we like that station there, all we do is turn it once. It'll start flashing real quick. Now we can stay there and lock on it, or it'll go quiet till we find it. Pull out a preset and you got it. Put it back in Scan. We'll start scanning more stations.
Got exclusive stuff like merchandise signed by Dirk's Bentley.
That way you can find a station while you're driving,
grab a Pepsi at Dollar
and you can stay on it, and you don't have to fool over here turning the knob and carrying on. We'll let it scan one more, and I'll show you how to actually lock on it.
Mercedes now waiting and
Three banging. Trending songs over the last 30 minutes.
Oh.
Based on your votes. Thanks for having Club King.
Let's go one more on it.
In my blood.
Say we like that station there, all we do is turn it once. It'll start flashing quick, just stop, it'll stay on it. You want to go back to normal? Just push a button, change whatever you want to do, go back to normal.
Which is nonsense.
I agree.
You got it back in Scan.
Anybody I've ever seen make
Let's
this
find
case
another station.
is using arbitrary examples.
Say we like that one there. One time, it'll lock on it. Pretty neat little feature. Built-in fader. Anyhow, that's your original Delco for your Chevrolet trucks, 85 through 87. And it turned out pretty nice. It's a good sounding little radio. I appreciate you letting me show it to you. Thank you.